aiming to launch a career in digital marketing, either as a freelance content creator or as a social media manager? This video will guide you through the essential steps to get there. Hi, I'm Anna, founder of Digisparq Media, and today I'm so excited to share how you can start and thrive in these dynamic roles. Whether you want to manage social media campaigns or create compelling content independently, I have got you covered. With 2 decades in digital marketing and a master's degree with distinction, I've experienced firsthand the evolution of content creating from its infancy to what it is today. Yes, I am that old. Back when social media first popped up, I just couldn't see the appeal. Why anybody would choose the dull blue layout of Facebook over the vibrant, customizable chaos of MySpace. I honestly couldn't stand it at first, but as the digital world evolved, so did my perspective. I began to see the immense potential of platforms like Facebook, not just for social interactions or posting my cat videos, but posting impactful content that could really engage people. So today, having a strong online presence is not just beneficial for brands, it is essential. This is where digital marketers and content creators come into play. We're the ones behind the scenes, combining creative ideas with strategic thinking, really make a brand shine. It's not just about posting content, it's about crafting meaningful interactions that resonate with people. So the job possibilities in digital marketing are truly expansive. Whether you're looking to freelance and manage your own time and projects, or you're aiming to take charge of social media for a well-known brand, the skills that you gain here will serve you well. In digital marketing, you're not only making yourself indispensable, you are also opening up a world of career options that are as flexible as they are rewarding. Now let's get started with our step-by-step guide to becoming the best social media content creator ever. So number 1, educate yourself. When I first got into digital marketing, I made it a point to absorb as much information as possible. I signed up for newsletters from leading digital marketing sites like Moz, HubSpot and Social Media Examiner. Now these are packed with up-to-date information that can really help you stay ahead of the curve. I'll drop some links to these resources below in the description. Also, don't overlook podcasts. They are a really great way of learning on the go. You've got Marketing Over Coffee and Social Media Marketing podcasts are 2 of my favorites. They cover everything from SEO to the latest social media strategies. Incorporating these into your routine can really transform your daily commute into a mini classroom. Number 2, define your services. Choosing which services to offer starts with understanding where your strengths and interests intersect with market demand. Are you drawn to the creativity of crafting stories and designing visuals? Then consider honing skills in video production or image design or copywriting. Online platforms like Coursera or Udemy are packed with courses that can help you start or sharpen these skills. Now, while creative content is engaging, the ability to measure its impact is what turns good content into great campaigns. Analytics might not be everyone's favourite topic. I certainly found it challenging myself, but it is so crucial for effective digital marketing. It is a core component to our Digisparq framework at Digisparq Media, and it really helps us understand what resonates with audiences. If you're new to analytics, then Google Analytics Academy offers free courses that are invaluable for getting started. Combining creative output with analytical insights can really elevate your service offerings, making you indispensable to clients. Number 3, target your audience. Identifying and understanding your target audience is fundamental in shaping not only the services that you offer, but how you market them. It's about figuring out who needs your skills and how you can solve their specific challenges. Here's a step-by-step approach to help you pinpoint and connect with the right audience. You've got market research. So start with thorough market research. Use tools like Google Trends to understand what topics are trending in your industry. Platforms like BuzzZoomer can show you what content is popular with audience in specific niches. Audience segmentation. Now break down your potential clients into segments. Are they small businesses, startups, tech companies, or perhaps non-profits? Each will have different needs and pain points. Tools like Facebook Insights and LinkedIn Analytics can provide demographic data that helps refine your targeting. Now create buyer personas. Based on your research, create detailed buyer personas. Think about the demographics, the challenges, the goals and online behavior of your ideal clients. Tools like HubSpot's Make My Persona can guide you through this process a lot easier. Now, engage on social media. Use social media to listen and engage with potential clients. Join LinkedIn groups, follow industry-related hashtags on Twitter, not calling it X, or participate in Facebook groups. These platforms give you insights into what your potential clients are discussing and what problems that they are looking to solve. Content strategies. Now, tailor your content strategy to address the specific interests and needs of your audience. If your audience prefers videos, consider focusing on YouTube or Instagram. If they're professionals looking for detailed analytical posts, concentrate on LinkedIn and white papers. Remember, the better you understand your audience, the more effectively you can tailor your marketing efforts to meet their needs and capture their attention. This not only improves your service delivery, but also enhances client satisfaction, whether or not you're a freelancer or going for that job. Now 4, craft your brand. Now, crafting your personal brand is more than just deciding how you want to be perceived. It's about actively shaping the perception through every interaction in the digital space. Start by defining what makes you unique as a digital marketer. Are you a content creation wizard with a flair for viral posts? Or maybe you're a data-driven marketer whose aim is to define analytics for any audience. Now, pinpoint your strengths and think about how they solve problems for your potential client. Once you have a clear idea, it is time to make it visible. Create a professional website using platforms like Squarespace or WordPress. These platforms offer templates and tools that make it really easy to build an attractive, functional site that showcases your work, services, and the unique aspects of your brand. Now, leverage social media platforms that are actually aligned with your target audience. You've got LinkedIn is essential for professional networking, Instagram is great for visual storytelling, and Twitter can help you engage with industry conversations. Use these platforms to share content that reflects your expertise and your unique approach. Content creation, so start a blog or a YouTube channel to share your knowledge and insights. This not only enhances your brand, but also improves your visibility in search engines. Use tools like Canva for graphic design. And if you're into video, invest time in learning how to use video editing software like Adobe Premiere or free alternatives like CapCut, which is super fun for shorts. Now, networking. Attend industry webinars and virtual conferences. Now, tools like Eventbrite and Meetup can really help you find events where you can connect with like-minded professionals and potential clients. Being active in these spaces increases your visibility and reinforces your brand attributes. Feedback and adaptation. Now, finally, gather feedback from peers and clients and use it to refine your brand continuously. Tools like SurveyMonkey or Google Forms can really help you collect and analyze feedback efficiently. Now, remember, your personal brand is your promise to your clients. It tells them what they can expect from you, and it should really resonate through every piece of content that you create and every interaction that you have. Now, 5, establish an online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is essential for a social media creator because it directly impacts your ability to attract and engage with an audience. In a field where visibility and interaction define success, your online persona acts as your portfolio, showcasing your skills, creativity, and ability to drive meaningful conversations. It's your digital footprint that makes you discoverable to potential clients or employers who rely heavily on digital channels to identify talent. By effectively managing and displaying your work online, you demonstrate not only your proficiency in digital marketing, but also your understanding of how to leverage digital tools to build brand awareness and engagement. If you're job hunting, this will be vital in showing potential employees what you are capable of. If you're freelance, then it will be the cornerstone to getting those clients and letting them know how amazingly well you will be steering the social media platforms. Now, one of the best ways of getting this done is LinkedIn. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile is more than just a once done activity reserved for job hunting. Though, let's be honest, it does become everyone's best friend when it's time to make a career move. For social media creators, LinkedIn is a powerhouse for establishing professional credibility and networking. Start by ensuring your profile is complete with a professional photo and a compelling headline that clearly states what you do and how you make a difference. For example, instead of just social media manager, try social media manager helping brands grow with creating engaging content strategies. When it comes to posting articles, think about topics that not only showcase your expertise, but also address common challenges in the industry. How-to guides, case studies, and industry trend analysis tend to perform quite well. The tone should be professional yet accessible, so think of speaking at a conference rather than a casual chat with friends. However, injecting a little bit of personality or light-hearted commentary can really help your post stand out. Regularly engage with content from others. Commenting thoughtfully on posts by industry leaders or potential clients keeps you visible and active. As for who to follow, start with the leaders in your niche. Following companies like HubSpot and Hootsuite can also really help keep you updated with the latest in content and social media marketing strategies. By actively sharing, engaging and networking on LinkedIn, you position yourself not just as a job seeker, but as a thought leader and go-to expert in social media marketing. Now you've got Instagram and other social media. Depending on your field, Instagram can be a great field for visual storytelling. Use high quality images and engaging captions to showcase your work and attract a relevant audience. Don't overlook other platforms though, like Twitter, because I still can't bring myself to call it X, for sharing industry news or interests for your portfolio. Starting a blog is an excellent way to cement your reputation as a knowledgeable social media creator. It not only showcases your expertise, but also improves your visibility and establishes your authority in the industry, and it shows you're good at that copywriting. So here's how to make the most of it. Choose relevant topics. Begin by selecting topics that are both interesting to your target audience and reflective of your expertise. So for a social media creator, topics could range from best practices for Instagram marketing and how to craft engaging content calendars to leveraging analytics for social media success. If you're unsure as to what good topics to use, then just go to ChatGPT and ask it for a list of suggestions. Whilst your blog's up and running, promote it across your social media platforms. Now, finding the right clients or job opportunities involves a mix of inbound and outbound strategies. So you've got networking, attending industry conferences, workshops and webinars, many of which are available online. You've got networking platforms like meetup.com can help you find relevant events. Now, job boards and freelance marketplaces. Now, regularly check job boards such as Indeed or Glassdoor and niche digital marketing job boards for those opportunities. For freelance opportunities, then platforms like Upwork or Freelancer and Fiverr are invaluable. Social media ads. Now, if you've got a bit of a budget, investing in targeted ads on Facebook or LinkedIn or Google can help you reach a larger audience. Tailor your ads based on the demographic data and interests on your ideal client. Now, you've also got cold outreach, which is never popular, but don't shy away from sending personalized emails or LinkedIn messages to potential clients or employers that you're interested in working with. Be specific about how you can help them and refer to their current projects or needs. Personalize it. By combining all these strategies, you maximize your visibility and increase the chances of finding the right opportunities. Now remember, the goal is to show potential clients the value that you bring and make it easy for them to find and contact you. Now, it is also a really good idea to analyze and adapt. I'm always trying to check on how well my strategies are doing using tools like Google Analytics and LinkedIn Insights. It is really crucial to see what is working and what is not, so you don't waste your time. And these tools show me where my traffic's coming from and what my audience actually likes. This way I can keep fine-tuning my approach to help meet my audience's needs. Now, I've got loads more insights and videos coming up, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another upload, and I will leave a link for anyone interested in finding out a bit more about the Digisparq framework for your marketing plan. Before you go, I've got a really fun question to see if you are still with me. Are you team creative or team analytic? Let me know in the comments. I'm really eager to see what team gets more support. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. We'll catch you next time. Bye bye.